Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat not sending snaps to friends in iPhone and Android platform. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to tap on profile icon in Snapchat, then tap settings. Scroll and under account action we have to tap clear cache and tap clear to confirm. Now, go to settings, general, iPhone storage. And we have to tap Snapchat, tap offload app, tap offload to confirm. Then, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the force restart, launch App Store and re-download Snapchat. In the end, do one more thing. Make sure that you have an active internet connection and tap general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset network settings, iPhone passcode required and tap again reset network settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.